Good morning, friends. This is Dr. Sagareeka Roy Bhatia, the author of the book Just Expressions, available on Amazon. You can grab your copy today. Well, parents and viewers, we always teach our children to tidy the room. Let me tell you, there is a difference between tidying the room and declutter. Tidying is nothing but cleaning the room, but declutter is removing things from the room. Our children always know whenever they watch TV or they listen to any radio ads or they play any games on their PlayStation or Xbox, there are always ads: buy, get one free, invest. Elders always hear invest, but nobody talks about share. Never. So this is very important to teach our children that while we declutter our house or while they declutter their room, it is very important that they share their toys with a toy bank. They share their extra books which they've already read, maybe with a book on wheels for underprivileged children. Extra clothes that they no longer use or it no longer fits them, with underprivileged children or maybe children of the house help. So it is very important, parents, for us to teach this particular word declutter. And let me tell you, when you use this word declutter, it's going to resonate with your children every time in their life, because when they grow up, the clutter is here. And this has to be decluttered when they grow up. So from the room to your mind, to your house, to your surroundings, for clarity in vision, for clairvoyance. And please remember that your house is to keep things and not to store things. So it is very important, parents, to teach your children to declutter, and without wasting any time, do it today. Happy parenting, stay safe, remain happy.